Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to use a very cool feature, DJ AI mode, which has just been launched on Spotify. It's still in the beta phase. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So first of all, just a small disclaimer, you do need premium so that you can actually access this feature. Maybe at a later stage, it will be accessible to non-premium users. But for now, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is log in and go up to the top of your account. You will see here that it says all music podcasts. Now, this is a feature that is only currently being used with music. And you can see over here, it says good afternoon, and it's a blue screen with a little green circle. And this is the DJ feature. So basically what it does is it takes all of your music, all of what you've listened to, and it basically blends all of your styles of music into a playlist depending on what times you used to listen to that music. And it also has features such as like trying to take you back to moments in your music. So you can see over here, like there's a bunch of playlists, right? And basically what it's doing is it's going to take all of these playlists and try and tell me what I want to listen to now. So how you actually use it is it's now currently playing some music for me, and that's fantastic. And what's going to happen thereafter is if I'm not happy with it, I'm going to go into the actual DJ AI like this, and I can just skip, and it'll actually start communicating with me, and it's going to tell me, like, it's going to start playing this. So it actually sounds like a live DJ actually DJing music for you personally. I think it's a fantastic feature. It's very sort of personal and very interactive, and I think with a little bit of time, it may even develop into something a bit more. If this was helpful, drop us a like. Tell us what you think of the feature in the comment section below. We'll see you next time. Cheers.